back to another video. Today we are going to be doing something that I don't think anybody's ever done before. Today is July 4th, and what do people normally do on the 4th of July? Well, they usually go on their boats. And if you haven't seen already, we got a pretty sweet boat. But the plan is we're going to be taking it to a car show. You heard that right, a boat to a car show. Oh, almost there, almost there. There we go, almost there. And got it. Here she comes. Sheesh. This thing is insane, you guys. Wow. Alright, so we got her all pulled out. She's looking good. We had to wipe her off just a little bit, you know, so get a little bit of the dust off and everything. But we are about to head in the truck and the boat to Cars and Turbo, a car show, you guys. I don't think anybody's ever taken a boat to a car show, but this is gonna be awesome. So let's go ahead and head out and go forward. Got the boat behind us. The truck is pulling it. This thing is a beast. So we're on our way to the show. There's gonna be a bunch of supercars there and muscle cars and one boat. So we'll see you guys there. So the boat comes with really cool lights, and so my dad hopped back there. We're gonna turn them on as we drive through the car show. So this is gonna be pretty sick. I don't know if we're gonna play music out of the speakers or not, but the lights are pretty cool. What up, Riley? Alright guys, we just pulled up. The boat is here and we are at the car show over here. This thing is insane. Got a nice R8. I love this purple. This purple is sick. Along with the Performante blue perf. And then this is like a Ferrari race car. I do not know what this is. This is crazy. It looks like a 308, but they have gutted it and put like a whole bunch of racing stuff in here. This thing is probably fast, dude. Got some R8s, Gen 1 and a Gen 2. That looks like a cool little old Porsche right there. But it seems like a lot of people are over there looking at the boat. Bringing a boat to a car show. So we have the newer 488, but that thing still looks crazy. Which one would you rather have? Old race car spec'd out or a new 488? I don't know. I'd probably choose a new 488. Now I thought I had a unique camera setup, but this thing is just crazy. They put it on a charger. There's two of them. Man, these guys probably take some crazy rollers. This thing is insane. Then we got Hyper Hunter and his new BMW. Man. That thing looks clean. And another newer BMW right here. The BMW boys. So this is a Buick Grand National. This used to be the fast street race car, but this thing is like a blast from the past. Look at that interior. Trans Am right here. I really like when the Trans Am have the big bird on it, but this one just has a little bird right there. It still looks cool though. We got an old right-hand drive Skyline. Man, I wonder if it's difficult to drive on the right side of the right side. So we got his and hers GT 350s and a 5.0. This thing is sick. Signed by Carroll Shelby, a manual. This thing is sick. Shelby GT 350. And then the hers model is all black with carbon fiber everywhere. This thing is sick. Dang, there's somebody doing a burnout over there. The R8 leaving. This is awesome. But it seems like a lot of people like that boat over there. I don't know. I don't think that anybody's ever brought a boat to a car show before, but there's got to be a first. All right, guys, so we're about to leave the car show. There's still people looking at this boat. It was an awesome time. I don't think anybody's ever done that before. I know South Lake, they brought planes, they brought helicopters, but I don't think anybody's ever brought in a boat. So we're gonna go ahead and go get on the boat. So we gotta go get ready, put some gas in it, and let's get on the water. We just got her to the gas station. Man, she's looking good, but Sheesh, this cost $100 to fill up. That is not fun. And she's not even full all the way. The gas tank only allows you to put $100 in at a time. So yeah, we're headed off to the lake. We got the boat all set up, about to back it down and put it in the water. And also, don't judge me, I'm wearing ice cream shorts. Alright guys, we're in the water. About to hop on the boat. Come on, baby, come on. Alright you guys, we're headed back. It's starting to get a little dark. We're gonna put the boat back on the trailer and then we're gonna head somewhere to watch the fireworks. So I was stuck in the streets, had the truth on my head. It's $1 million dream, but I'm doing it fast. I don't care about your love, and like the price on the tag. Feel like kill a one, I don't want venom, but I'm such a swan. Oh, your love, you can kill me slowly, 'cause I don't rather live in a life full of hell. Just to see you smile, just to see you. Where did it all go? Where did it go? Where did it let go? But you're making it tough for me. Your love's like a man.